Manav Rachna educational institutions were established in the year 1997 by our founder Dr. O.P. Bhalla with a vision to provide quality education to the youth of our country. And for that purpose, started with the setting up of an engineering institution and grew into establishment of various institutions for various other disciplines like dental, like management, physiotherapy, nutrition, and even areas in physiotherapy, and eventually ventured into the areas of school education for kindergarten to the grade 12th, and has really grown into an entity which is a force to reckon with. Over years, we have added on many disciplines, areas like management, dental, physiotherapy, nutrition. Our foray into the K-12 education has also been something to reckon with. We have been able to forge lots of collaborations with our knowledge partners, be it the industry knowledge partners or our foreign partners, with whom we have been able to integrate their best practices with what we had been doing, and as well as we have ensured that whatever we are delivering is as per what either the industry is wanting or whatever the international accreditation agencies or accreditation policies are there, and we have been able to really meet the industry requirements as well as the requirements of providing the best quality education in the environment. If we talk about the way the whole Manav Rachna journey, how it started, it was established in the year 1997 with the start of an engineering institution by the name of Career Institute of Technology and Management, with an intake of just nearly 180 students. And today we have grown into an entity which can boast of having an alumni base of more than 16,000 students, plus around 22,000 students who are on rolls of Manav Rachna at present. When we talk about what way we feel that Manav Rachna is contributing, or what way we are different from the other people who are there in the environment, in Manav Rachna, what you would see is a culture that totally focuses on the wholesome development of personality of our students, their synergy with the community, their linkages with the community, and even in the curriculum, whatever is being taught, we are ensuring that there is lots of community connect, which is integrated within the curriculum, so that we, starting from our schools, be it at the early years level or when we go down to our higher education, the management programs, we are totally synergizing with the environment, be it the administration, be it the police commissionerate or any kind of local events that keep happening. Our students are very much involved, they engage with the community, and they ensure that whatever they do, that is for the benefit of the environment and the whole development of the nation itself. If we talk about the way the education system has evolved, typically in North, we were amongst the first few players who really came in this field, and 1997 we were the 4th or 5th engineering institution in the state. And now we see that with the advent of Manav Rachna entering into this area, there are lots of engineering institutions plus other institutions which have evolved in the nearby region, in the nearby area, as well as in the state of Haryana as a whole. If we talk about Haryana, Haryana now boasts of having more than 160 engineering institutions, plus I think 20 odd universities which have come up over the last 17-18 years. And this advent of private university system, which was never there in the past for the last 4-5 years, has brought in a lot of autonomy, a lot of flexibility in the environment for the players in the education field to really contribute and do better by trying to build the whole curriculum which is as per what the industry is wanting and which is really in tune with the needs of the environment. So that way we have been able to develop the whole ecosystem in such a way that our contribution is something that we can really vouch for, and we can say that whatever we are delivering, it is as per the highest standards or the highest benchmarks that are laid in the environment and as per what the industry is requiring. We obviously have taken support from the environment, be it our knowledge partners, people like IBM, institutions like Fortis. They have been supporting us in evolving that curriculum which is totally in tune with whatever is needed as per the environmental requirements. Our alumni have been making us proud. We have been seeing lots of people who have been really doing really well, like our alumni Gagan Narang, who is an Olympian and is really done well for our country. Srishti Rana, who was the Miss Asia Pacific, she was an alumni of journalism, and We have been seeing that lots of our students have been really contributing and doing well in terms of their achievements in the industry, be it higher studies or their achievements in the field of culture, academics, students who have really gone on to become IAS and who really did well for themselves. And that is something that we are really proud of, and we have very strong alumni connect also, where they keep engaging, and we just ensure that they don't lose their touch with the alma mater, and they really are involved in the progress of the whole Manav Rachna group as a whole. We also have established a foundation by the name of our founder, Dr. O.P. Bhalla Foundation, which was established with a vision to basically contribute to the community in an institutionalized manner, where our faculty, our students, they are all engaged and involved in really doing lots of good work for the society, be it any kind of initiatives that we get from the government, be it the Swachhta mission or their initiative to adopt the railway station. Everything was driven with a thought that how we can really contribute to the society, as well as engage our student resource and the community to really be engaged and involved in all these community linked activities. And the foundation has been there for nearly 1 year now, and the whole purpose is really truly achieved, where we are able to provide sustainable development in whatever areas we feel either the government is wanting us to be involved, or we feel that is the need of our environment, and we have been able to contribute well in that particular regard. We really have been able to engage our students also well with that, whether it is the adoption of a village where our students have been going, our teachers have been going on a regular basis and contributing, be it the health camps or the blood donation camps or any kind of drives that we keep having, it, be it linked to tobacco or thalassemia, or there was a drive for polythene free environment in our district. So we have been able to contribute well, and through this foundation we have been able to take the message of our founder in the environment, which was totally for this community development and nation building, which we have been really able to carry forward it well. And Manav Rachna as a group over 18 years has progressed with the involvement of our faculty, our heads, our students, and it's really grown in as a family where everybody has contributed, and we have been able to take forward the vision that was laid down for us 18 years back. And we are really confident of our alumni, our students, and the kind of curriculum that we have been able to provide them. And that's been really an experience for anybody who has been here, and we are really proud of our alumni who have been really able to do well and really bring laurels to the institution. And we've been trying to connect with them, and we ensure that bonding between them and their alma mater continues, and that relationship really goes to the next level. I feel that with this vision, we are really looking ahead with lots of new developments coming in, and with the new campus in Sonipat planned as a Manav Rachna University, as a state university. There we are looking at some courses linked to skill development. We are trying to evolve ourselves as a regional center of excellence in areas like infrastructure, in healthcare, and even areas like in engineering, mechanical, and electrical, and other disciplines where we feel there is a need. Even automobile, we are trying to explore and see that if we can establish the best possible laboratories, and ultimately we try to cater to the segment where skills is the major challenge, or there is a challenge of providing that structured teaching format to them. So that is something we are trying to evolve for that new campus. In our K-12 segment also, we have been expanding in various parts of North. We opened a school in Ludhiana this year, and we are now moving to different parts of South also, be it Bangalore, Lucknow, and other places. So we have been trying to look at new areas. This year we added on the courses in architecture and planning, and the certain new disciplines that we are trying to introduce in the field of psychology also, which we started 2 years back, and there are other disciplines that we are eventually building up in that department. And even in certain areas like real estate, healthcare, we have been trying to look at some more strong collaborations for us, and trying to improvise upon whatever existing syllabi and delivery that is happening, and trying to really move ahead and implement new frontier courses which are very much in attune with what industry is wanting. And we can really say that what input we are trying to give, that is the best that anybody can get, and along with that focus on the community development, we are trying to create a student which evolves into an independent individual, or the personality that really does well in the environment, and they can be really somebody that everybody looks forward to.